Hello guys, doing again what I love most, doing yoga practice every now and then to ease out the pain that I feel ever since I was young. I have a lot of skeletal issues and stretching exercises are the only things that invigorates and rejuvenates me. Marami akong skeletal issues. Akala nyo lang wala. Akala nyo lang wala akong pain. But I have a lot of pain. Meron akong neck pain, meron akong low back pain, meron akong mga elbow pain. Marami po akong mga kondisyon na dapat i-address. So habang buhay ako at kaya ko pa, I still insert in the exercises na suitable sa age ko. Since I am already 62, I need to do things that I can do na hindi naman hard sa aking mga joints. Inspired nga ako kay Kaloy Yulo, pero I'm too old for that. So sa yoga na lang muna ako, which is very beneficial for my health and physical needs.